Bumper cages.
Oh, we have another squirrel.
Really?
Yeah, we do.
Oh, great. Corey, it's your turn. Hi.
Your tag?
Actually, maybe, yeah. Let's see. No ear tags.
The field animals are generally easier to handle because they have a real fear of
So
people.
your tag number is going to be 839.
You say 839?
Yeah. Going to be brown white.
They don't know what is going to happen, so instead of lashing out to try and escape, oftentimes they'll just hunker down when they're in the trap, and you can get your hand around them quite easily and lift them out of the trap.
Oh boy. Boy. I don't know, it's a guess.
In general, what we try and do is really minimize the amount of physical handling we do of the animals. We're actually touching them. We've been committed to bringing in Polar Trek teachers from the lower 48, where they're working in public schools, to Alaska and work with us side by side in the field.
Math is 790.
It's fun how quickly I've been able to catch on to the different things that we need to do and actually be a valuable part of the team and feel like I'm contributing.
I'm going to put an ear tag on him, so I just kind of cover his head to keep him calm.
Right ear,
Left ear.
left ear.
Yeah. So remember, girls are always right.
Okay. Yes, they are.
Nice.
In addition, we have been involved heavily in the National Science Foundation REU program. This is a research experience for undergraduates. One of the students that came in the first year, Kate Wilsterman, came back again this year, but not as an REU student. She was so well trained and so productive that I brought her back as a paid technician on the project before she starts her PhD program
There we
at the University
go.
of California, Berkeley.
There are two main parts that you learn on the RU. The one is obviously the technical aspects of what we're doing out here, how we're going out and trapping squirrels,
600 grams.
setting up a weather station, learning all the programs associated with the project. The really interesting part is the scientific process, which you can't really get until you're really immersed in a project like this. The scientific process, you sometimes start with a question as broad as, why are ground squirrels hibernating? But in order to investigate that question, you have to really boil it down to looking at specific aspects of why they're hibernating. Trying to pick a very specific question and building a project around that is really what science is about and what I'm learning on the program, which is really cool. I think the other really cool thing about being here at Tulik is all the scientists that are here, so the environment that you have. Bouncing ideas for my project off of people who are doing hydrology or bird work is really interesting because everyone has a different perspective. So they pick up on different things in your project that they think are interesting. Also different trends that they can look at and say, hey, this matches up with this thing that I've done in birds. So you might want to think about this in your project, which is a really cool environment to be in.
And then we've had a whole host of undergraduates that have come from maybe classes that I'm teaching that developed an interest in this project that have come in as either volunteers or as paid undergraduate assistants. So we're able to really parlay this research investment in such a way that lots of people benefit in ways that you wouldn't really think about on the surface when you think about a research grant.